Today, I'll show you how to upload and resize pictures to the Acuity Scheduling site. Whether you're managing appointments for a small business or organizing your personal schedule, adding images to your services can enhance the user experience and provide a professional touch. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring your images look their best. First, you'll want to navigate to the appointment types section of your Acuity Scheduling account. This is where you can edit the specific services you offer and customize them with images. Once you're there, select the service you want to edit by clicking the Edit button. This will open up the settings for that particular service, allowing you to make changes. Now, to upload an image, look for the plus icon or the Add Image option. Clicking this will open a dialog box where you can choose an image from your computer. It's a great opportunity to use a branded icon or a photo that represents the service you're offering. Make sure the picture aligns with your brand's aesthetics and conveys the right message to your clients. After you've uploaded your image, Acuity Scheduling provides you with a handy built-in editor to make adjustments. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring that your image fits well within the platform's layout and maintains a professional appearance. You can start by cropping the image to focus on the most important part, eliminating any unnecessary background or distractions. If the image needs further tweaking, you can also rotate it to get the right orientation. This is especially handy if the original photo was taken at an angle or if you want to create a unique visual effect. Adjusting the rotation can make sure that your image complements the layout of your scheduling page seamlessly. Brightness and contrast adjustments are another useful feature within the editor. Enhancing these settings can make your image stand out more, especially if it's going to be viewed on a variety of devices. Increasing the brightness can help illuminate darker photos, while adjusting the contrast can add depth and clarity, making the image more visually appealing. Once you've made all the necessary edits, take a moment to preview the image. This will give you a clear idea of how it will appear to clients when they're booking an appointment. If everything looks good, save your changes. This final step ensures that your edited image is now part of your service's profile and ready for your clients to see. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully uploaded and resized a picture on the Acuity Scheduling site, enhancing your appointment types with visual elements that truly represent your brand. With these images in place, you've added a layer of professionalism and personalization that can make a significant difference in how clients perceive your services. Remember, a well-chosen image can communicate a lot about your service at a glance, so take the time to select and edit images that will leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.